question 7 without using calculator. We have to convert this number into improper fraction. 4 over 7 divided by 1 times 21 plus 5 equals 26 over 21. Now we can apply the rule KFC, keep 4 over 7, flip 21 over 26, change the division sign into multiplication sign. We multiply the numerator, 4 times 21 equals 84, and the denominator, 7 times 26, 7 times 26 equals 182. Now we have to write it in simplest form. To write it in simplest form, just write the fraction in your calculator. 84 divided 182 equals 6 over 13, and now you can get your 3 marks. Thank you.